Jes33king prank redeeming my coupon at Church's Chicken. Alright. Okay. Oh, you guys got chargers and stuff right here. I probably can use it. Alright, I'm ready. I wanna redo.
I'll be right with you.
Okay. Hi, how you doing?
What can I do for you?
Yes, I would like to redeem my coupon. Right here?
That's just Jack in the Box.
I know, but it's like chicken. They said I can get food here.
No, you can't.
Yeah, because you got to read the back of it. It says that y'all are combined with both the chicken and Jack in the Box. So I would like to redeem my coupon.
No, we're not.
Yeah. I can't redeem my coupon?
That's free delivery.
That's not.
With
How much, y'all? How much? How much?
This is not ours.
But this.
It's Jack in the Box.
But y'all have chicken here.
Yeah, but that's Jack in the Box. That's not Church's
No,
Chicken.
but see, look, on the back, it says clear as day, get all your Jack in the Box, favorite delivery by post mail, and...
That's Postmates. That's another company. That's a delivery company.
So wait a minute, you telling me I can't redeem my chicken here?
Yeah, that's what
Where's your manager?
She's over there.
Can I speak to your manager? Excuse me, now, they're telling me...
I'm the district manager.
You're the district manager. Okay, listen. You're telling me I can't redeem my coupon, this coupon right
Yeah,
here.
you're in the wrong restaurant, sir.
This is not the wrong restaurant. This is Church's Chicken all day. This is not Jack in the Box.
Here is Church's Chicken. For the coupon is the Jack in the Box. In the back, you want the size for the Jack in the Box.
Right, but y'all got chicken here. So I understand that y'all have chicken just like they got chicken there. So I should be able to...
Nah, this is fried chicken.
Oh, wait a
They
minute.
have burgers like chicken. We don't have that.
Like burgers? Oh.
Yeah,
So you mean to tell me I can't redeem this here?
that's correct, sir.
You're the district manager?
Yes.
Who is your manager?
That's the one
You don't
above.
got no manager.
The one above.
What the fuck? How the hell?
I'm my own boss.
You your home?
Yeah.
Oh, so you stunting on me. You're
Nah.
stunting on me. Oh man, he's stunting on me. So I can't. I'm just playing.
I know.
It's your boy, Jes33king Production, and this was the Jes33king Production. Broke ass. Where is my dog? Okay, I gotta go. Holla at your boy. Peace.
For sure.
Peace.